Live Show. My name is Ellen.
Hello, my name is Christine.
Hi Christine, do you know what Ducas come from?
Yes, I know. Ducas is registered in Italy. Sounds like heaven.
Yes, you're right. Ducas is our brand name and company name registered since 2003.
Wow, 17 years already.
So today we are going to introduce our cooling equipment. What do you think a good product is?
Is it good quality and good price?
Yes, you're right, but not all right, such as our products. Yes, this is our salad plate table with normal size for American market. Two type design with different hands. 8 and 14 inches of cutting board for mega top and regular top. Let me show you more detail.
Wonderful.
Yes, please look at our reach in. We have two types, bottom mount and top mount, with digital controller and 75 mm thickness of insulation, stainless steel inside and outside body, and self-closing door with 90 degrees stop function, strong shelf with max 50 kilos. And more information, please look at our video.
I heard that we have warehouse in US.
Yes, we have 7 distribution centers in United States.
What, 7? It is really awesome. Where are they?
They are in Los Angeles, San Francisco, Houston, Dallas, Chicago, New Jersey, and Tampa of Florida.
Oh, great!
Yes, don't forget our commercial merchandise showcase with aluminum door frame and handle, self-closing door, digital controller, no-e glass, LED light inside, strong shelf with can separators.
If you want more information, you can go to our website at www.ducas.com.cn.
Welcome to join our Ducas family. Thank you.